New and improved neck training. So the banded neck training, hold the iso like I was just doing a second ago. This is a demonstration of the eccentric. Really trying to segment, make sure you pull the chin in and back, trying to feel all of the bones of your neck moving into flexion as best you can. And then side view here, same thing, iso hold. Make sure when you do the, especially to the side, I feel like these are harder to stay out of pinchiness if your neck is tight. When you pull in doing this eccentric, resisting here, make sure that closing, shortening side doesn't feel a pinch. So if you start to feel a pinch, just do not go that far. Again, also trying to segment here. And you can also do some rotation to target different neck tissues. Just be a little cautious with loading if this is new to you. Don't want to freak your neck out. And then the last one is facing away. Coming up here, and then again just an iso hold, and then these are how I do the eccentrics, kind of leaning into that with my body weight. Again, make sure you don't feel pinching on the back of your neck. You can also add some rotations, and then this is added training for your jaw and teeth. Really kind of grabbing onto any sort of a strap or towel that you've hooked up to the band, and then just kind of changing the directions that your body and your head. You can do like the yes, no kind of thing. Just, you'll feel it in your teeth, basically. So it's a little bit of an experiment. Hopefully this works to give you more bone density in your jaw and stronger teeth. It's definitely still training your neck, though, so even if it doesn't give you a better bite, it is going to help neck strength. All right, hope you enjoy this. Oh, and then, stretch out your jaw afterwards.